Yeah, with our entry into Formula One, we are taking the next big step in Audi's realignment. The entry into Formula One gives us a huge opportunity as a brand on a global scale. Formula One is the most popular sports platform worldwide, especially with younger and female audience. And we will use the opportunity to address new customers in our key markets, Europe, US and China. It is a perfect timing to enter Formula One. The new regulations give a level playing field for all teams, and so it's optimal to enter now. Yeah, when I took over as CEO of Audi 2 years ago, we had a deeper look into the Formula One project, and we decided to take an even bolder approach. We realigned the project and optimized the setup. And with Mattia Binotto and Jonathan Wheatley, we have the perfect management team, and with Nico Hülkenberg and Gabriel Bortoletto, a perfect driver team, and so we are very optimistic. So with the right team, the right partners, the right timing, we have the perfect setup to attract new fans worldwide.
Audi's Formula One identity is a powerful expression of our new design philosophy. It's not just a car, it's about creating a visual language that reflects our four design principles: clarity, technicality, intelligence and emotion, both on the grid and off the grid. We want to have the most striking car on the track, and the R26 Concept is a preview of that ambition. And we wanted to combine with the geometric purity technical and sophisticated elements with like a titanium palette, the texture of carbon fiber, and then a new vibrant Audi red.